Nice. Got another one. Hey, what's up and welcome to Informal Fishing. I am fishing this pond today. I'm going to start off with some light tackle and see if I can catch any panfish or bluegill. If that goes pretty well, then I might switch over to, I have a Ned rig, and I might try to catch some bass too. We'll see how it goes. Alright, so I'm going to try to start over here. I'm just going to be using this ultralight rod. And I just got a normal float rig with a small hook, weight, and a bobber. I'm going to put some worm on there. Alright, so I got my worm rigged up. I'm going to cast out by this branch and see if there's any bluegill. Alright, so I'm thinking I need to try another spot. I think right here looks pretty good too. Try this spot real fast. I do see a small bass right there. I'm going to throw out this Ned rig too, just because I saw some small fish swim by. See if he wants to eat. Alright, we're going to move down here to this point. I see some ripples out there, maybe that's some fish feeding. So I'm going to move my bobber up a little bit. So hopefully this goes a little deeper. And we will see if this is how we're going to get a bite today. So I got my worm on there. And here we go. Got one. It's a small guy. Well, that's not bad actually. He's a pretty good sized fish. That's a nice bluegill. There we go. There he is. It's a pretty nice bluegill. I'm happy with that. That's a good size. Exactly what I was looking for. Caught him on the worm. Still got a good amount of worm left on there, so I'm going to go right back out there and hopefully get another one. I don't know, I think something might be on it. Yep. Got another one. Yes. Another good sized bluegill. Yeah, he's definitely a really good size. It's really fun to fight him on light tackle too. It's that ultralight rod. One thing is these tiny hooks, kind of a pain. Got it. Oh, there he goes. Come on. And he's gone. Well, I'm not really sure how waterproof this camera is, but I'm about to put it to the test, I guess. Alright, it's starting to rain a little bit too hard for my liking, so I'm going to go back to the car, see if it stops. If not, at least I caught 2 bluegill. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.